I took the Ranger Raptor up and over Engineer Pass and Cinnamon Pass over the weekend around the Uray Silverton area. The truck did pretty well. We still have an obvious ground clearance problem that we have to figure out a solution for. But the reason I went up there is to really put some mountain, rainy, hard miles on all of this gear, including the stuff that's in the bed. So the big benefit of this is how quickly it comes out. But, I mean, I'm pretty happy with it. It seemed to do the job.
Yeah, I think it's done great. I mean, it's surpassed our expectations so far, for sure. We just really want to show everybody how easy it is to, after a weekend of trip, pull all this stuff out, clean the bed out, get your truck back to normal truck usage, and then, you know, be ready for whatever else the next weekend.
Yeah, the cool thing about all of this stuff is it's no drill. So basically, you'll see how long it takes to pull all this stuff out, and you can be back to exactly what your truck bed looked like before you installed all this stuff. So let's do it. Let's get started.
Let's do it.
Commence fuzzy montage music.
Minutes later.
That's most of it. This is how we'll probably end up leaving the truck most of the time. We'll probably have some accessories that go in here as well. We'll do some spare tire mounts, bike mounts, dirt bike trays, all sorts of things that sort of work off of this concept of having rails in the bed. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Obviously, you notice we did not powder coat these. We typically don't do that with all of our R&D stuff, but these work great. So we'll pull those out, get them powder coated, and go back into the truck.
It's a good opportunity, too, for us to try out our Go Box idea we were talking about.
Yeah, absolutely. So we'll sell these in the full set or possibly just the rear two. So we'll have a bunch of accessories that are built for these back two rails. And we'll probably start working on that sometime this week. Should be good. All right, so here's the bed with everything removed, except the dust. That's phase two. But as you can see, no holes in the bed. Everything's back to 100% factory, except our little quick connect wiring hanging down. We put all the lights that are in the end of the bed rails on barrel connectors, so that way we can pull everything off super easy, and when it's together, we just run some tape over it to hold it shut. But that has worked out very well. We've had the bed empty several times with the rack on and off. Very happy with that. So now it will get a bath, and we'll start working on the rest of the new products for it. So make sure you guys follow along on Instagram and Facebook and YouTube, and we'll give you some more previews of this stuff coming out. Say bye, James.
Bye, James.